back my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video we will discuss about how can you fix this error in Hostinger 404 file not found. Guys, whenever you try to load any file from your Hostinger from web browser, you will get the error 404. Mean this web browser saying is this file is not exists in our website, but this image file is exists in our file manager. So guys, if you are getting these images like other file, if you are getting the error like images other file which is available in your file manager, but when you try to open from the web browser it's not opening. Let me show you guys. This is the website I am trying to load the images. This is a product images but not loaded successfully. So guys, I am getting this error. So guys, how can we fix this error? Simply guys, watch the video till and don't skip the video. So guys, why this error happening? We have to understand this first point, guys. Whenever we trying to move the our website source code from one hostinger to another hostinger, like I am trying to move the this website from another hostinger to this hostinger file, but I am getting this error 404 file not found and some images or file not successfully loaded in your website. You can see in the my screen. So guys, let me tell you why this error happening. So guys, simply I can say you that key this error is happening because of ownership permission. Whenever try to remove the all the file and move the our website from another hostinger, it will get the ownership's problem. So how can you fix in this hostinger ownership issue? And you will see this by ownership fix this error. You can see that in my laptop screen it will fix it. So how can you fix this? Simply we can go to my hostinger dashboard and you can simply search ownership. I'm going to this ownership and you have to check this checkbox and simply execute it. Ownership was fixed successfully. When you execute this command and then after the 2 minutes, it will load the all the file and other files in your website. So guys, let's wait the 2 minutes and I will come back. Yeah guys, it's work. You can see in my screen, it's working successfully. Now our website product image is successfully working. This product images come from the admin panel where we dynamically adding the product and simply images are loaded. If you're getting guys images not found in your website or like charges are like 404 any file, you can simply and you are using the hostinger, you can simply use this command use this command and you can simply fix this ownership issue. You can simply when you execute the command you can simply fix by the easily. So guys, if this video helpful for you, simply guys like the video and comment down comment the video, and guys please subscribe our channel for more information about the technology and other related video. So guys, if you are getting other problems, simply you can comment down, I will try to help you. So guys, bye bye guys, take care, see you again in next video.